Hello everybody. Wearing a mask has become an accepted norm for every day when out and about. This activity here is a great activity to have a light-hearted conversation with your children about the importance of masks and their situation. Wearing face masks to prevent the spread of disease can be hard for young children to understand. And because they are not always comfortable, children can give a lot of pushback. Remember to be compassionate and patient with your preschool. Let's have a look at the supplies. We need colored sheet, glue, crayons, marker pens, googly eyes, some paint, and some decorative items. Take a colored sheet and fold it into half. Now the bottom part, fold it into half again. Similarly on the other side, just like on the picture. Draw a circle as shown. Write numbers from 1 to 10. Take a marker pen and darken the numbers. I am not good at drawing, so I used a pencil first. You can directly write the numbers. Take an eraser and erase the pencil part. It'll look like this. Fold the paper as shown below and redraw the lower part of the circle. Just like earlier, write the missing numbers to complete the circle. And we are ready. Ask your child to join the dots in the correct order. Next, fold the page and ask them to join the missing dots. Now, let's add some hair. Children can be as creative as they want to. Take some googly eyes and paste them on the face. Let's make a nose and give a beautiful smile. Now you can ask your children to color the hair. They can also use a bud or they can use their fingers to dab. Muskan wanted to finger paint the extended hair. Now it's time to draw the mask. and decorate it. Muskan used ladyfinger to decorate the mask. Kids can use some sequins or cotton to dab. And we are ready. Look at that beautiful face. This is a fun activity to do with your children.
Hello everybody, thank you so much for visiting our channel. We post some fun hands-on activities for you all every week. And so, to not miss out on these activities, simply subscribe.